Hi, the SI meteorologist Paul Dorian here on Thursday, December 8th. Well, a powerful storm that was a major rainmaker for much of the mid-Atlantic yesterday and last night has raced to the northeast. It's sitting off the Maine coast right now, but it's on its way quickly up into southeastern Canada, and it has left behind quite a bit of rainfall. More than 2 inches of rain has fallen in the last 24 hours from Washington, D.C. all the way up through New York City, and in fact, in some areas, more than 3 inches. Reagan National Airport in the Washington, D.C. area recorded 3.1 inches of rain. That's the wettest day they have ever had in the winter months of December, January, and February. Quite an impressive storm down there. In the Philadelphia region, the latest rainfall has pushed the yearly totals to more than 62 inches for the year, way above normal, and now the wettest on record. The modern era record was already broken, but last night's rainfall put us over the top here in the Philadelphia region for the pre-modern record that was earlier set in 1867. Well, several days of drying are now in store, and we could use that drying pattern here in the Mid-Atlantic region after yesterday and last night's rainfall. There was some snow reported in the northern and western suburbs of some of the big cities, but no accumulations in this area. You had to go up to the higher elevations farther to the north and west to get a few inches of snow, for example, across central Pennsylvania and northeastern Pennsylvania. Let's take a look at the latest surface map. That low now is just sitting right off of the Maine coast. It raced in about a 12-hour period from the border of North Carolina, Virginia, all the way up to the northeast to off the Maine coast, on its way now up into southeastern Canada. Still some strong winds around here in the Mid-Atlantic region, and that will exist for the next several hours. By tonight, the winds will diminish, and it'll be quite cold, below freezing in most parts of the Mid-Atlantic region. Now, upstream, there is another cold front right here sitting in the south-central part of Canada. This actually comes through tomorrow night and paves the way for quite a cold weekend. It should be well below normal, but dry for the weekend with mostly sunny skies on both days. But temperatures will struggle to pass 40 degrees in most parts of the Mid-Atlantic region. Here's the latest IR satellite composite loop, and the storm right now is sitting off the Maine coast, and again it's racing still, very quickly moving off to the north and east. We'll be in southeastern Canada shortly. There are some residual clouds here now in the Commonwealth of Pennsylvania. In fact, there's some snow bands setting up upstate New York with winds coming off the still relatively warm lakes and causing a couple of snow bands here in upstate New York. But lots of clear skies here, and generally skies will clear here for today and will be at least partly sunny tomorrow, but then this cold front comes through by tomorrow night, and that paves the way for a dry but cold weekend. Here's the latest radar loop. Again, a snow band here is moving into the upstate part of New York with the colder air moving over the warmer lake waters, and that should stay well up north of the Mid-Atlantic region, at least the big cities here. We should have a dry day with increasing amounts of sunshine. The heavy precipitation is way up off the map here over Maine on its way up into southeastern Canada. Well, let's take a quick look at a couple of GFS Global Forecast System computer forecast maps. This is for tonight, and then we'll take a look at tomorrow night. It's a rather quiet period coming for the next several days. This is tonight's map, and the strong winds of today will diminish overnight tonight as high pressure kind of moves into the Mid-Atlantic region. So with those winds diminishing and clear skies, it'll be quite cold tonight with temperatures for the most part below freezing here in the Mid-Atlantic region, perhaps even down to the mid-20s in many suburban areas in the Mid-Atlantic region. Upstream, again, there's a weak frontal system, and that'll head on through the area tomorrow night, paving the way for a cold weekend. And here is the computer map for tomorrow evening, and by this time the frontal system is through, and cold high pressure is situated now as of tomorrow evening in the middle part of the country, and we're in quite a cold air mass with stiff northwest winds around here. Temperatures on Saturday and Sunday as well will struggle to pass 40 degrees, which is below normal for this time of the year, although there'll be plenty of sunshine both days, and it'll be dry not only this weekend but well into next week. That's it for now. I'm the SI meteorologist, Paul Dorian.